Hello guys and welcome to GS Vlogs Goa. So today I'm going to talk about all my touring accessories and the mods that I've done to my bike. First of all, an extra key. Then I've got some face cleaners. Then I do keep some bandages for emergencies. On the other side I've got some extra cables. Then I've got a head mask to absorb all the sweat inside your helmet. On the top cover, I usually keep my phone and also my glasses. If at all, if I have to remove my helmet, then it can help. So now let's see what I have got in my top box. So in my top box, first of all, I carry my gloves. So the first glove is your winter gloves. Suppose if you are going in extreme cold climates, that is handy. Then these are my new Tarmac Evo gloves. So these are the touring ones. They are quite reliable and in terms of safety they provide adequate amount of protection to your wrist as well. So this is a Motul chain cleaner. This I usually use after about 1000 kilometers or if I go in off roads. This is the BMW lubricant for the chains, and also I've got a new chain cleaner. So this is about 150 rupees. I will talk about this the chain cleaning and the lubrication in another video. Then this is my jack for the if when you want to clean and lubricate the chain. Then I also keep a body cover. Suppose if you're parking in extreme weather conditions or if it's too dusty, it's quite helpful over there. Then I carry some cables, to tie my luggage, extra luggage if at all I have to tie them. Then lastly I have my helmet. So this is my brand new empty helmet, the Thunder series. So this is a limited edition helmet. So this is the Isle of Man version. It comes with the double visor. So the other visor, which is the sun visor, as I showed, and it is DOT and EC certified. This Thunder series has got adequate cushion, so even after a journey of 600 kilometers, I didn't feel any discomfort. And I have bought my brand new riding gears, and that is the riding jacket. So this is by Rhinox. So Rhinox, this is the urban version. It comes with a thermal liner as well and a raincoat as well, which are not attachable inside. And this lastly is the rain cover.